Welcome to Oe and Sandy Math Along. I'm Sandy. We are only doing the audio and then the actual writing and Desmos. So we're in BlueBook right now, and I'm going to SAT Practice 11, so you can math along with us. You might hear my TV in the background too, but the Artemis 1 is real close to the moon, so I'm obviously watching that while I'm doing this. Obviously. Okay, here's number 1. Oh, wait, no, it's not. This is ELA. That's Owie. All right, so when you go on this test, obviously it's going to take you to the EL section first. Not that I don't care about ELA, but I teach math. So we're going to go past that. I mean, I do. I care in that I want you all to pass it. Am I going to teach it to you? No. Okay, so here we go, resume testing, and it brings us to our first math problem. So they give you an equation. They say which equation has the same solution. Remember, 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 important, important, important. First thing you want to do on this test, calculator. Okay, this is the full Desmos graphing calculator. There's also scientific if something should come up where you feel more comfortable with that. But the graphing is where you want to stay. And you just want to keep this open the whole time you're doing the test. So I am going to put in x plus 1 equals 33 into our graphing calculator. As you can see here, and I'll zoom out just a tad, there is a straight line on the answer, okay, 8, 0. So that means 8 is our solution for x. But that's not what they're asking. Which equation has the same? So 4x equals 32 is part A. If you notice that line, and they colored them both red here, but that line goes directly on top of the line we had. Okay. The calculator in here works a little bit different than actual Desmos, so it kept it the same color. Now, just to check that we did that right, I'm going to put in the next answer choice, and as you can see, it's way over here. Okay, and if we do these other answers, they're going to have a similar theme to where they're not overlapping. The one right here, same color, same line, is our answer. Here we are at number 2. The function k is defined by k of x equals x cubed plus 110. What's the value of k of x when x is 2? So this is where Desmos comes super, super in handy. And if you are mathing along with us, make sure you have the graphing calculator open and that you're pausing when you need to also do this. Okay, so here we have put in our function. If we zoom out, it almost looks like a straight line, but it is cubic. If you can see, it has this slight N shape to it. Okay, and here's our big trick. Okay, pay attention. You're going to come to this little wheel, the edit list. Okay, a gear. Press that, and then you're going to press create table. When you do that, it gives you the beginning of a table with different x values. And if you notice, look at this x value. Okay, so again, different x values. We go to x equals 2 because that is what it's asking us, and it gives us the answer 118. Okay, simple as that. Now, let's say for a moment that it asked x equals 3. If you come here, you can actually type in other values. You can type in whatever you want and see what the graph's giving us at that point. Okay, in this case, it's a 2. It's already on the table.